Hey, what is up everyone? Be right back here and welcome to another product review. So before I unbox this product, I would like to say thanks to Fenrir for sending me this stainless steel motorcycle swing arm spools or paddock stand bobbins. Well, this is the paddock stand and this is the spools. So actually this is specifically for my Multistrada V4 Rally. So why do I need this if I do have a center stand? Good question, right? Well, if I need to do a maintenance for my center stand, like lubricating my center stand, I need to use my paddock stand. And if I want a double security whenever I want to remove my rear tire, or let's say changing my rear tire, and also or replacing my chain, well, I need the paddock stand. So that's my reason. Why do I need to install this spools or swing arm paddock stand bobbins? Okay, so without further ado, I think it's time to unbox this product and let's see what's inside. Again, Fenrir. So if you would like to avail any accessories that fits your motorcycle, all you need is to check Fenrir or www.fenrir.com and get a 5% discount code by just using the code. Be right back. Okay, so the product is this. Look at the quality. Bit heavy. Means well made, and it feels like these spools are very tough because the weight and the quality. So honestly guys, these spools from Fenrir, it looks and feels durable, and the weight, it's a bit heavy, that's why I know. And the quality I can say it's almost the same like the known brand or known brands. So again, aside from using it for my maintenance, like changing my tire or my rear tire or my chain or my center stand, it also protects my swing arm whenever I go for off-roading. So to install this, you need this spacer to add it like this, and then don't forget to apply a Loctite. I use this blue Loctite. Okay, so I'm applying a Loctite. Then I will use this 6mm hex, and installation is so easy as long as you have the right tools. I think that's good. So I'm gonna do the other side, and again same thing, apply a Loctite, and then use this 6mm hex. Just like that. And then I'm going to try it if it works. And the moment of truth. Alright. It works. There you are. I can now lubricate this center stand. See? Hey yo, so Fenrir, as you can see, it works and definitely it's useful. So why not? You can use it for maintenance, or you can use it for protection, protecting your swing arm whenever you go for off-roading. And if ever I want to go to the racetrack, if ever I would like to remove some weight, I would like to remove that center stand and use only my spools, bring my paddock stand, and there you go. It's a race bike. Just kidding. So anyway, I definitely recommend this product. Get one. Definitely for me, I need it. It's not only for my maintenance, it's also for protection for my swing arm. And just check out www.fenrir.com. Discount code is Be Right Back. So again, hope this video helps, and thank you. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share this video. Soon, I'll be right back.